Welcome. Today we're going to learn how to send a channel link on WhatsApp, and it's easier than you might think. Whether you want to share the latest updates from your favorite channels or invite friends to join a community, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's jump right in. First things first. Grab your Android device. Make sure you have the WhatsApp app installed and updated to the latest version. This ensures you have all the newest features at your fingertips. Once you're ready, open WhatsApp on your Android device. You'll see your chat list, but today, we're focusing on channels. So go ahead and find the channel you want to share. Now, tap to open the desired channel. Take a moment to browse through the content if you like, but remember, our goal is to share that link. Next, look at the top of your screen, and you'll see the contact name of the channel displayed. Tap on that contact name. This will take you to the channel's profile, where you can find additional options. Now, here's a crucial step. Look to the top right corner of your screen for the 3 dots. These dots represent more options, and tapping on them will give you the next set of choices. After tapping the 3 dots, a menu will pop up. Here, you want to select Forward. This option allows you to share the channel link with anyone in your WhatsApp contacts. Once you tap on Forward, you'll see your list of contacts. Simply select the person or group you want to send the channel link to. You can even add a message if you'd like to provide some context about the channel. After you've chosen your recipients, just hit the send button and voila! You've successfully shared the channel link on WhatsApp. It's that simple. Sharing channels can help keep your friends and family in the loop, so don't hesitate to spread the word. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.